understand the way and the approach, so then you try to take the resources and then take calculated risk. Or is investments like Tuka? Now you hear tips and things like that and then you invest. What's the difference between the two? That is what we'll try to cover. A blueprint for innovative design thinking in investments. All of us got to have a vision in investments. That means we got to decide, okay, what are we setting to achieve? For me, when I have parallel source of income by teaching, what I am setting to achieve in investments is the income which I earn. Instead of investing and earning a fixed rate of returns, which is almost near to the inflation rate, my aim would be to achieve a rate of return which is little higher than that. For any one of us, the vision might differ of investments. Then we got to think mission, okay, what do we do over the next months? That means again, whatever goal I am looking for, okay, this much is the wealth I would like to create, then what I am going to do in the coming months so that I am nearer to my vision. Strategy, how will you do this? We'll give you 24 steps which needs to be followed by undertaking sound investing. That would become your strategy. Structure, systems, what systems needs to be placed so that we have innovative design thinking. Skills and competencies, what would be the results of sound investing, the outcomes, rewards, what you do get. Now, people who are present here will always believe, there would be many people who would be willing to tell, these are the investments which I have done and these are the gains which I have made. But what is also possible, in many times we have done investments and that is not so successful. So many people are here, so many people wanted to come, but then seats were not available, we had to ask them to leave. That means for all of us, one thing is for sure, there is pressure for change. That means the way in which we have been investing or the way in which we have learned to invest, what we have found, it does not always result us into gains. It's becoming like a tukka. So then what is sound investing strategy? That's a pressure for change. So for that reason we require a vision, we require leadership that in turn might be following right role models. Then you got to either hire trained people or you got to train yourself. Then you got to take some tangible first steps in investments. Then you got to monitor effectively, okay, whatever boundary lines, circles of competency which you have kept for yourself. Have you remained within that? And then there should be an effective reward model. Now, coming to this effective reward model, what I believe in, as we'll go ahead, we'll try to take up investment strategies by Warren Buffett. Fact of matter is, he first bought shares when he was of an age 11. And success is very contagious, which in turn means what? Okay, in case my design thinking is proper, in case I am able to think independently and sound, and you have done investments and they are giving you rewards, so that will in turn motivate you to take another bet. That will result into successful implementation of innovative design thinking. In case there is no pressure for change, so then there would not be any there would be disinterest. In case there is no vision, that means all of us are happy at what we are. We'll learn, we'll get educated, we'll work for somewhere, but we don't have a vision to earn a lot of money. So then we say that would in turn result into disillusionment. In case we are not capable, so then that would result into disengagement. In case we don't decide, okay, what are the first things which we got to do, so then that would result into frustration. And in case there is no efficient monitoring or there is no effective reward through your investing, that would result into your evaporation as far as your desire to understand investing as a way of profession. This is an entrepreneurship ownership model which we should try to understand. There is a value of stretch. We got to prepare certain plans, okay, what we are going to achieve in life. Then there got to be a self-discipline, and then there should be enough support system that should see to it, okay, whatever we are trying to achieve, those goals of investments are achieved.